And you need to determine whether 8% is better suited for you or is it regular income tax. So let's start first with the 8% tax rate. Actually, your 8% tax rate is quite new under the Philippine Tax Code because this was brought about by your train law last 2018. So what is 8%? Percent actually is only applicable to individuals earning purely from self-employment or practice of profession. And independent contractors fall on this part. Why? Because they are considered self-employed individuals. Therefore, you can apply 8% tax rate. However, when can you apply the 8% tax rate? In short, not all self-employed individuals can place or make use of the 8% tax rate. Only some self-employed individuals. So when, if ever, your gross sales or receipts and other non-operating income does not exceed the VAT threshold, so let's say you do not exceed your total sales in a year does not exceed 3 million pesos, then pwede ka pong mag 8%.